Okay, today we're looking at the length of the last word. So let's start off and declare our function. So const length of the last word equals function. It takes a string. Okay, and what is a console.log of this going to look like? It's going to look like this. Length of the last word, taking the string hello world. That's simple enough. And so first thing I think I want to do is get this sentence. So I'm going to declare a variable to hold the string. So first off, let sentence equal string. So a sentence would be the string split on a space. The string split on a space. A sentence would be the string split on a space. That's a tongue twister. Okay, so if you want to see what that looks like right now, I can show you. Just in case, I'm going to console log that. Okay. Okay, so what this is, sentence is an array now. So now that we know that sentence is an array, that's what's happening behind the scenes. What do we want to do with that array? Well, we want to find the last index of that array, which will be the last word. And so the last word, let last word equal sentence.length. Let's see what we get back if we do that last word. What is that going to be? The last word is 2. It returned the index. So yeah, so we have the index of the last word. But isn't the index 0, 1, so shouldn't this be sentence.length minus 1? Because the length is 2 words, so minus 1 this is the literal length of the array, and then minus 1 would be the index of the last word. And so we want to find the length of the last word. So now that we have the index of the last word, return last word dot length. Is that what we need to return? Let's cut out all of this stuff. Undefined. So sentence return sentence last word dot length. Maybe. Return sentence dot last word. We just want to return whatever is at that index. Okay, so now we have done that, so that's the last word. Dot length 5. That's the I did it. Okay, so I thought I was out of the woods because when I tested this with Hello World, it returned the length of the last word. But then I tried it on LeetCode, and it failed this exception. It failed this one because of the spacing on either side of the string made it not work. And really, the only what this is testing is just if you know about trim. So if you know about trim, then this problem is easy, I guess, because you need to know your methods. So I didn't know the methods. So the trim method of string values removes white space from both sides of the string and returns a new string without modifying the original string. So you gotta know your methods, man. I'm not a method man, but I got a method, man. I tell you what, dude. And so if you do that, then you'll get this, and then you can take everything here, and you can take it back to LeetCode. Yeah, so if we submit it, okay, so that is my first LeetCode problem. I am euphoric. I'm extra happy because this is the beginning of my journey.
This is it.
My journey.
This is what?
My journey has begun.
I'll take one more step.
If I take one more
It'll be
step,
the farthest away from home
it'll be the farthest I've ever gone.
Come on, Sam.
Remember what Bilbo used to say? It's a dangerous business, Frodo.
Going out your door, you step onto the road, and if you don't keep your feet, there's no knowing where you might be swept off to.